Hey, Tom. You're doing bubbles? Hey, baby. You need Tom's help? You want to join the Avengers team? Okay. Let's see what Tom is going to invent this time. Awesome! You're now Iron Man. Come on, guys. Let's save Car City. Slow down a bit. You're really fast, and Tom can't keep up with you. Whoa! It attracts every metallic object in the area. Look, Edna needs your help. The construction team wants to move these pillars and bricks to construct a new building, thanks to your super magnet. You're doing great. Be careful. You shouldn't move this much with your super magnet. Baby Rocky is stuck to the magnet. Stop moving, Baby Iron Man. Oh no! Baby Rocky is taking him into the air. Oh, this is too dangerous. I can barely watch. Baby Rocky is too scared to land. Tom, you need to find a solution. Oh, you have a great idea? Great. A telekinetic ray. Amazing. Now hurry, Tom. There's no time to lose. You need to go back down, Baby Rocky. Tom is here to save you, Baby Rocky. You can trust Tom. It worked! Do you still want to be a superhero, Baby Iron Man? You're using your superpowers to help Carrie and Walter? It takes time to control superpowers.
Yay!
Oh, so close. Hey there, Tom.
Hey.
Matilda, is everything okay? Bobby the boat. Sharks? Do you think you can help, Bobby? Wow, it's what is it? Matilda, do you know what it is? How does it work, Tom?
Whoa!
Nothing seems to be happening, Tom. Are you sure this is the right gadget? Matilda, I think it's time to use that siren. Look, there's Bobby. We have to do something quickly. The sharks are swimming away. Great job, Tom.
Yay!
Matilda, what is it? Uh-oh. Those were just the baby sharks. Now here comes Dad, and he doesn't look happy. Oh no! Even with the power on high, he can't be stopped. What will we do, Tom? We should be quiet so Tom can concentrate. Do you have an idea? It's the net gun. Good thing you were practicing, Tom. Oh, so close. Nice try. Look, Matilda is on the bridge. She has the perfect shot.
Hey!
Focus, Tom. You got him. I knew you could do it. Great job today, you two. Oh, Matilda. Not a musician yet, Tom? Hi, baby. What's wrong? Looks like baby is bored. Can you help him, Tom? What a cool dinosaur!
Yay!
You look happy, baby. Let's try it out. Mind control? Wow, it's working. Baby wants to race against the dinosaur? Ready? Go! Playing tag with your dino? Seems like it's not that easy for him. Wow, was the dino that big? Ouch! He seems to be stronger, too. Looks like the dino is out of control. It's broken. Uh-oh. Run, guys. This time, it's not for playing tag. That's terrible. It's about to destroy everything. Don't worry, Tom will find a solution, right? Shh. He's there. What could beat a big dinosaur? A bigger dinosaur, of course.
Way!
The battle begins. Perfect. The dino is immobilized. You did it. Well done, guys.
Yay! Way!
You're not feeling lonely anymore, baby? Having true friends is always better.
Hey!
Hi, Tom. Wow. Looks like you are quite talented at football. There's no goalkeeper to keep you from winning, though. Hey, Ben, you're in a mood. What's going on?
Hey, never know, never know, never know.
Oh, okay. Tom is going to have a look at it. All right, let's see. Ben was racing against Jerry at the racetracks, but he lost again.
Wow.
Every time he races Jerry, he loses, and Ben ends up very frustrated. Is there something you can do, Tom? How could you help Ben beat Jerry at a race?
マサナタ
Good idea, Tom. Ben, he can help you out. Use your special machine, Tom. Are these speeding wheels, Ben? They look so cool. Wow, they fit perfectly. You should try them outside. Okay, Ben, first things first. Before you start your course, remember, always be careful. These wheels have never been tested before, all right? Look, Ben, Jerry's over there. Show him what you've got. So, Jerry, this is not what you expected, is it? Wow, that's amazing, Ben. Keep going. Jerry is out of sight. Yeah. What is this strange noise, Ben? Careful, though. Something is not right. Come on, Ben. Stop now. You're driving a little too fast, don't you think? You can't stop? Tom, Ben needs your help. Ben is unable to stop. His wheels are taking control over him. Tom, you have to do something quickly. Look out! It's Ben coming right at you. You have to move, Tom. Move! Ben's wheels are way too powerful. Okay, Tom, let's see what you can do. A glue gun. It's so cool. Try it on, Tom. Be prepared. Ben is coming. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes! You got him. Well done. Don't worry, Ben. You'll be back to your wheels in no time.
Hey!
Ooh, happy to have your old wheels back, Ben? Don't be down, Ben. At least you can control your wheels now.
Wow!
Looks like Jerry needs somebody's help to push that crate. Well done, Ben. And thank you. See, you may not be as fast as Jerry, but you're definitely stronger, Jerry. At least you will have learned your lesson. It's not winning that counts. It's spending time with your friends.